Anaconda. The guy just tells me there's anacondas here.
Good morning guys, we are running late this morning. We're keeping the whole bus waiting for us. We've got a tour. We are going somewhere in the north of the Amazon today. We're going to go to a place that has lots of waterfalls. We had to run back for the passports. We left them in the room, so we're keeping everybody waiting. We need to get going. Okay, there's our bus for the day. We're driving to a city called Presidente Figueiredo, which is about 2 hours drive north of Manaus. It's on the same road. If you kept going for 3 days, you'd end up in Venezuela. So yeah, it's quite a long drive. We're going to a place that's kind of in the middle of the rainforest, and they have a lot of really amazing waterfalls there. I think we're going to see 3 today, and I think it's going to be good fun. Fortunato has been telling us all about the plants that we're going to see there today that they use for modern medicine as well. Fortunato knows a lot about the forest. Like, you can get a cure for just about anything. So we're at an ecological park where the waterfall is, somewhere down in the woods. I've been bitten badly by mosquitoes. They're all over my legs. Really, really, really itchy. Wow. Oh my god. George, there's a place there to get out on that side.
There's no anacondas here.
Right, that was the first waterfall. The water is cold, right? I'm not gonna lie, but it cools you right down. Look at that water. It's like the colour of tea. Red bush tea or something. Oh, real.
Good job. Piranha.
The water here is a different colour. This time it's like kind of clear. The other ones have all been dark red. Amazonian waterfall. Watch out, it's not falling down! That was amazing. It was so exhilarating. The water was really cold, but you wouldn't think the water in the Amazon rainforest would be cold, but refreshing. We're going to go back to the bus now for the couple of hours drive back to Manaus, and I think we'll be taking a little snooze. Burp. That is a storm cloud over there. It's absolutely amazing. That's one thing about here in the Amazon is the sunset is so amazing. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen a sunset like that before. just fishing out there, guys, a minute ago. Big thunderstorm blowing up in the morning. Woo, there you go, got it. I think the best sunset I've ever seen in my life, no doubt about it. Lightning on one side, sunset on the other. Folks, that was such a really amazing day out in the Amazon, exploring the waterfalls in the region around Manaus. We're back in a hotel now after that day, long crazy day of driving and stuff, and all pretty knackered and exhausted, so having an early night. So I'm sitting out here on the balcony, I'm just listening to the sounds of the rainforest around the hotel. It's pretty amazing here, like all night long. As soon as it gets to sunset, I'd say, like the whole place just completely goes mental with noise of the rainforest. I absolutely love it. Some people don't like that noise, but I love it. Sound of like bugs and insects and stuff. I'll show you around here. We've got this enormous balcony. Like you could literally sleep in it if you wanted. Big open view of we've got the Rio Negro up there behind us and Manaus in the distance. That's those lights over there. Tomorrow we're going to take it a little bit easier. I think we're going to go and explore the city of Manaus. Anyway, we'll see what tomorrow brings.